Lesson 5, Using Roles and Resources. In this lesson, we have these learning objectives. We'll first talk about roles and resources and how they are different. Next to that, we'll see types of resources. We have 3 types of resources. We are going to understand what are these 3 types of resources. Next, making calendar global. This is not exactly related to resource, but it will be used, and this is a tricky part. Many people do not know why the project calendar should be made global, because they have never used Primavera in the real world, and that is the problem. We have to make our project calendar global before we add the resources, and this is what we are going to learn in this particular video. Then you have adding roles. We'll see varieties of roles that we are going to add. Adding resources. We are going to add resources, these 3 types of resources. Next, we will have a detailed discussion in 2 videos with respect to resource detail. The tabs of resource detail in part 1 and part 2. Next, assigning resources. After that, duration and cost impact. When you assign the resources, you will have duration as well as cost impact. Assigning by roles. Not only you can assign the resources, you can also assign by roles. Adding expenses. Expense is another cost, and we will see how to add the expenses. Using resource codes. We already saw project code, activity code. Similarly, we are also going to use resource code. In the end, we have say a set of instructions in final words video. Only when you have completed the instructions mentioned in the final words video, you can say you have completed this lesson of resource management in a proper way.